Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Garry's Mod with my friend.
Again,
yes. Okay, let's do stuff. Dude, you want to see this cool working calculator?
sure.
Click a button on it. Anybody. Click a button on it, anybody.
Sure.
Click the button. Stop trying to shoot me.
I'm not.
Okay, just click a button on the calculator. Like, do a math problem.
Sure, click.
Oh, okay. Just do a button or
What
something.
should I click?
Do like a math problem. Like, what's 9 plus 10? Type that in it. You have to hit E to hit the button. What's 9 plus 10? Type that.
Thank you.
See, that's your answer.
I hate you.
Oh my gosh, a dream come true. How do I like, oh wow, magic carpet is so fun. Whee, magic carpet. Microwave, what does this do? Open. Dun, dun, I'm gonna turn it on. What's this button do? Oh, it probably turn it on. I'm in a microwave.
Me too. I want to get out.
Yeah, I'm in a microwave. I'm gonna die.
How'd you die?
Microwave. Okay. Next, let's do NPC killer.
Yay.
Nice. I'm gonna kill you now.
I'm
Okay,
in.
let's see. 40 go.
Why can I shoot my gun?
Nice. Okay, come and step up right into the thing. The NPC killer. Come step right up to it and rub your face all over it.
No.
I said no.
Come on, open it. Open the door. And then microwave.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I opened it.
Dang it.
Let me bring the NPC killer to you. You're not an NPC, don't worry, you're a player. But you're still gonna die.
Oh, no. No. Oh, God. Okay, quit killing me now.
Okay.
I've died mysteriously.
Okay.
No, come on. Stop.
I'll put this near the spawn, don't worry.
Oh, no. Please no.
Oh.
Please no.
Oh, okay.
No.
Come on, I love
Jesus
you.
Christ, no.
I love you. Wait, no, I gotta make it look like you would want to come towards it. Let me like paint a couple stuff on. I gotta track the people. I gotta track them. Paint. I'm gonna need eyes. Doesn't work. I love you.
Come on, stop killing me. Jeez, you scared me. I'm like sitting there looking for a car and then this flipping cat. Jeez. Okay, let me drive.
Whatever you do not hit this barrel, okay? It's my friend. Okay, do not hit it. It's my friend. Okay? I'm gonna leave it right here. You broke it! Okay, whatever you do not hit this barrel right here, okay? Do not hit
I
it.
know what that is.
Do not hit this barrel right here, whatever you do. I
I
didn't even move this forward and you died.
hate you.
Ooh, I want a food.
Wait a second.
I'm buying shells! I'm buying shells! Wait, where'd you go? Hello? Oh, there you go.
Give me a
Buying shells! Don't interrupt me anymore!
Okay,
Don't interrupt me! Ever again!
Shut up!
Okay. Okay.
Seizure time.
Seizure time. I just felt like that was the right. I felt like it was the right thing to do.
Yeah, I know.
Seizure time.
No.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see.
What's wrong with
See
Gmod?
what we
What's
got.
wrong with Gmod? My weapons in here.
I know. Our weapons aren't like, I don't know. I really don't know. Personally.
Stop trying to kill me, jerk.
I like killing people.
Are you flying?
Ow, 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 ow! I will get out of here alive. I love your car!
My car!
I love you!
Did you really have to do that?
I love this microwave!
How did you kill me?
I love Freddy!
I'm freaking...
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Okay, it's enough killing for today.
Okay, just one more shoot. Just one more.
Okay, it's enough killing now.
Okay. I promise I will not shoot anymore. Okay? I will not shoot any bullets.
Where are you?
I will shoot bombs.
No! That's so loud.
Fine, I will not use bombs or guns.
I caught you. Stop killing
I never
me.
promised about the bomb part.
Stop killing me.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a house.
What? You got in my way.
Don't kill me.
You got in my way, okay? I was just going to Walmart.
It's not freaking Walmart.
You just killed yourself.
Jesus.
That time you just killed yourself. I'm gonna go off now.
There you go.
Okay.
I just threw his fire.
Let's see what else we got here.
I'm gonna
Loading.
get some of my...
The swing. Push me, Daddy.
No.
Push me. Push me. Daddy, 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 daddy. Yay! Push me. Oh, hi.
No more swing for you, son.
Okay. Where are you taking me? Oh, okay. What about... Don't push me, Daddy. I'll do it. Oh, oops. Okay, don't push me, Daddy. I'll do it. See? Meow. 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 Oh, okay. That's how it's gonna be, Daddy. Okay, then. Then I guess
Son,
you want the shot, huh?
what?
Well, you put it on the bombs.
No, I don't want a bomb.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I want a freaking gun. Give me a
You
bomb.
want a gun?
No.
Oh, I'll give you a gun. A bullet.
Come here, son. Jesus Christ. Okay, quit killing me now. Seriously.
Okay. I will not.
No! No! Don't you dare!
There's some guy coming up to you. I don't know who he is. I have no idea.
No! No! No!
I don't know. He looks friendly. Why would he kill you? See, he's
Just let him kill you.
He must be friendly. I'm sure he is. Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Seriously.
He's going.
Serious.
He's coming for you now.
I don't care. Oh, jeez, no.
See, look, he's coming for you.
No, 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 no.